Let's eat!
Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today on the menu, I'm going to be making hot honey soy sauce chicken. So, if you're hungry, then stick around for this video. Alright, first things first, we're going to go ahead and melt 2 tablespoons of butter in our pan. Be sure to keep your pan on medium heat. Alright, next up, we're going to go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of garlic. You can do fresh garlic or you can do minced garlic. Alright, we're going to go ahead and saute our minced garlic with our butter. We're not going to do it too long because we do not want our garlic to burn. So just cook it for about a minute or 2. Alright, next up we're going to use 3 tablespoons of honey. Now we're going to be making hot honey. So if you find hot honey in your local grocery store, just feel free to use that. If not, you can make your own. You can use 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey, and we're going to use some red pepper flakes. So go ahead and add in your 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes. Next up, we're going to add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. And we're going to add in some soy sauce. Now, I suggest only 3 ounces of the soy sauce because it was very salty when I tried my chicken. Or you can add in a little bit more honey to balance out the sodium. And I even used a low sodium soy sauce. So that was kind of strange to me. So if you don't want it to be really salty, go ahead and do less soy sauce and more honey. Or if you want to stick with how much soy sauce I'm using, feel free and just add more honey. Alright, then we're going to thicken up this sauce by using 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1/4 cup of water. So go ahead and give that a nice blend. This is going to help your sauce to thicken up, and it's going to thicken up quite fast. Alright, check that sauce out. Nice and thick, and y'all, it smells so good. It smells like I am at a Korean restaurant and I am ready to dig in and throw down. Alright, so I did take a shortcut because this channel is all about shortcuts and easy recipes. So I bought my chicken already made, but feel free to cook your own chicken. I'm going to go ahead and just pour my sauce all over my chicken and just go ahead and ruffle it all up so that all the chicken can get coated. All right, it is time to plate these babies up, and they just look so delicious and it smells so good. I can't wait to make this again and just try less soy sauce and more honey, but it was delicious, so good. Be sure to try this recipe. Tell me if you add something or if you took something away in the comments below, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit all notifications so you're notified when I upload another yummy, fun video for you. Bye!